How to add multiple collaborators on Instagram Reels. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up Instagram and let's go to add a reel. I'm going to choose a random one real quick. Say for example this one right here. Now once you're here, you can edit your reels like you usually do. You can add music and text, stickers, filters, etc. Once you're done, click on next, and here you need to scroll down and click on tag people, and then click on invite collaborators, and here you can search for the collaborators to add them one by one. Say for example I will add few random ones, say for example this one, and I don't know, another one, say for example these ones right here. As you can see, I have added multiple collaborators. I will click on done, and you can continue to write your captions, add hashtags, add topics, etc, etc. Once you're done, click on share, and your reel will be posted with the multiple collaborators added to it. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add multiple collaborators on Instagram Reels. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.